This is Eric again with Lonestar Acoustics. In this video, I wanted to show you an installation that we just completed in Allen, a suburb of Dallas, Texas. And you'll see that we utilized a sound masking system by Cambridge, along with acoustic paneling. With the sound masking, we treated inside the conference room to make it to where those folks in the conference room are not distracted by incoming sounds. And we also utilized the sound masking out in the open office cubicle area to reduce distractions and improve privacy. And then with the acoustic paneling, we added those in the conference room to reduce echo. And then we also added acoustic paneling in their video room. So hope you find this helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions regarding the installation. We'll be glad to get back with you with an answer. You can also like the video if you found it helpful, or you can subscribe to the channel and we'll keep bringing you good content when it comes to office acoustics. Thanks again. So we got the control module mounted here, the QT100, and went up into the ceiling and all the way out into this exposed ceiling area. Took it around here, all the way around to the first speaker. We used the universal bracket to mount with the beam clamp and a 1/4 threaded stud. And we put the speakers every 10 feet. There's one hiding right there. And down this truss every 10 feet. Here for the brake area, and toggling back this last truss. And we go by the Longhorn right in front of him. Then we came around and hooked him through here to go to the conference room. As you can see, there's a speaker, and there's another one over on the other side. And the nice thing about these emitters, you can dial them down. So we dialed these down 6 decibels because it's a conference room with lots of reverberation. So next we're going to go ahead and finish mounting these panels in the conference room. These are a 2x4 panel, 2-inch thick compressed fiberglass, a really nice NRC rating in order to reduce some of the echo in this conference room. So that, coupled with the sound masking, makes this a really nice acoustic environment. Just wanted to show a close-up view of the emitter housing that we utilized for this installation. This is the universal emitter housing by Cambridge. A 1/4 threaded stud attaches right to the back of it, and then off of that a beam clamp. So it allowed for a nice clean look to this installation. If you need help with any sound masking, acoustic paneling, feel free to give us a call, 972-787-0808.